The 2024 Triumph TF-250X is a motocross bike designed for winning performance. It features a class-leading power-to-weight ratio, top-tier components, and a collaborative development process with motocross champions such as Ricky Carmichael and Yvonne Cervantes. Here's a summary of its key features and benefits. Performance racing powertrain. The TF-250X is equipped with an all-new performance racing powertrain featuring a lightweight and compact design. It includes a competition 4-stroke single engine with features like forged aluminum piston, titanium valves, diamond-like carbon low-friction coatings, and an XD Belleville clutch. Aluminum chassis. The bike boasts a unique aluminum chassis with a high-strength, lightweight spine frame and twin cradles. This chassis design offers optimal balance, performance, and flexibility, setting a new benchmark for power-to-weight ratio in its category. Top-tier specification. The TF-250X comes with premium components, including KYB suspension, Brembo braking system, Dirtstar 7000 series aluminum rims, Pirelli Scorpion MX32 tires, ProTaper ACF carbon core bars, and ODI half-waffle lock-on grips. Competition accessories. Triumph offers a range of competition accessories to enhance performance and capability, including an Akrapovic full titanium exhaust system, X-Trig whole shot device, Athena LCGPA launch control module, MX Tune Pro Wi-Fi module, performance gripper seat, and bodywork replacement kit. Specialist Triumph MX centers. Triumph is establishing specialist motocross and enduro centers in Europe, Australia, and the USA to provide sales, servicing, parts, clothing, and race support. These centers will be supported by a 24/7 online parts and accessories supply system. Racing pedigree. The TF-250X benefits from Triumph's engineering expertise and racing heritage. Triumph's collaboration with motocross legends and its entry into the FIM Motocross World Championship reflect its commitment to racing success. Optimized for winning, the TF-250X is designed for maximum agility, control, and performance. Its lightweight chassis, premium components, advanced engine management, and rider-selectable features ensure a dialed-in riding experience for both amateur and professional riders. Distinctive styling. The TF-250X features a slim, aggressive design with Triumph Racing yellow, black, and white trim. Its bodywork is optimized for rider maneuverability and durability, making it instantly recognizable on the podium. The 2024 Triumph TF-250X represents Triumph's dedication to delivering a winning motocross package with no compromises on performance, quality, or design.